What's up, guys? We're back on the beautiful Kayak River, and we're gonna see what we can get on today, guys. I'm hoping for a big bass, a big bowfin, a big gar, a big anything. We got the yak over there ready to go. The river is looking amazing, like always. So we're gonna see what we can get out here, guys. Let's get them. Oh, wait. All right. About to get out here now. Let's go. Let's see what this day holds. Big fish, big fish.
Tournament today.
Huh? For real, man. Ooh, got one, guys. Got something. Oh, lost it. I just lost something, dude. That was good. Oh my God, I think that was a gar. That had to be a gar. Man. Oh, man. Come on, there's gotta be some fish around here, man. In there. Got one, guys. Got one. First fish of the day. Good fish. Ah, good fish. Good fish. Ah, God, it's a big fish, dude. God. Ah, no. Come on. No. I don't want to lose this fish. Oh, no. No. Dude. It's a good fish. Come on. No, he's on one treble. Got him. Biggin', dude. Let's go, baby. That's a good one. Here we go, baby. Let's go. One treble, baby. On one treble. God, I thought I was gonna lose this fish. I didn't want to lose this fish, boy. That's a nice one, baby. That's a nice fatty, bro, on the popper, bro. You cannot beat that, bro. Bro, one treble hook, bro. God, that's a beautiful fish. We gotta weigh this one. That's nice. All right, guys, letting this fatty go. First fish of the day on the top water on the river. Beautiful fish. Thanks for playing, buddy. There he goes. Woo! That's a beauty. That's a beauty. Over here, man. Over here. There's gotta be something over here. There's gotta be, dude. Oh, got one, guys. Got another one. Got another one. Another good fish, bro. Another good fish. I gotta get my net out. Oh, man. Not again. Don't do this. Come on. Get in there. Get in there. Yes. Let's go, baby. Another one on the top water, baby. That's a beauty. Let's go. That's a beautiful fish. Bro, look at that beautiful fish on the Kayak River, baby. Here in Orlando, that's how we do. Ooh, wait. All right, guys. This one's 2.46. Another beautiful fish, baby. Yeah, man. 2.36 or something like that. Nice little fatty. Going back. Beautiful. That's a beautiful fish, bro. I don't care. Look at the markings on that fish, bro. That's a beauty. Let's go. He's ready to go. Beautiful river bass, baby. God. It's Beautiful fish. Out there, out there. Oh, guys. I just missed a monster, bro. A monster. Right in there. Come back. Come back. No. Dang, dude. All right, guys, we kind of docked for a minute. This mud is kind of sinking mud, but just chilling on the river, guys. This is so beautiful here, man. I love it here, dude. Just chilling out. Took a break to stretch. Waiting for my friend to come. He's a little behind me. So we're just waiting for him. About to change the battery. I just realized I had to change the battery out too. So yeah, dude, it's beautiful out here today, man. Just chilling. All right, guys, we had this jig on with a little piece of Senko. Let's see what we can do. Let's see what we can do. Super shallow around here. So we gotta kind of maneuver to the deeper part right here and try to get past this. There's fish everywhere. We're gonna have to get out. I think we're gonna have to get out the kayak. This will be the first time I ever had to get out the kayak. Yep, gonna have to get out the kayak. Wow, craziness. That one. Oh, the panfish. On a jig though, big one. Nice red breast, dude. On the jiggy, baby. Let's get stopped right here for a second. Stop me real quick. Look at the size of that red breast, guys. Look at that beast. What a nice fish. Wish I had a live well. I would keep them to eat them. Taking the jiggy, baby. That's a nice one. We're gonna take a picture of that guy. All right, guys, letting this guy go back. Beautiful red breast. Look at that fish. Hey, ready, buddy? There you go. Let's go, baby. So good to eat, but I'm not trying to keep nothing right now. Got one. Oh, just a little panfish. Oh, that's a spotted sunfish. Big one. Took the jiggy, baby. Look at that nice fish, bro. That's a nice spotted. All right, guys. Beautiful spotted. On the jig. Going back. Beautiful fish. Let's go. Bro, look at all the tilapia bass over here. Look, oh, there's a bass right here. Look at all these fish around here, dude. So crazy. Look at that big tilapia. Look at those. Look at all these tilapia guys right here. Look at this. That's sick. Look at all of them. Look at all of them. Look at all of them. Wow, that's crazy. Big, another tilapia right here, big one. God, dude. I got one. Got something, little little guy, little pan, little red breast, huh? I freaking put on a jig and they ripped the whole worm apart, so look what I have on right now. And that's what they're eating. All right, guys, letting this beauty go. Boom, he gone. Yeah, I was using this jig in the winter. Yeah, a little bit in the winter, it was working. You need to make a worm this color. Oh, there you go. Hey, better than nothing, buddy. Imagine there's another one in there. No way. No way. No way. You all right, dude? Wow.
Wow.
I never ever seen I'm shocked because you tell me that it's like so steady.
I know.
Dude, did you have your phone in your pocket?
Nah, it wouldn't matter.
It's waterproof? Oh, you got the iPhone.
No, I don't know.
You have a Samsung Galaxy? They got waterproof ones? Dude, that's the craziest thing I've never seen. I never thought that kayak would ever turn over. Well, it didn't really turn over, but.
Oh, I balanced so it wouldn't.
Yeah. Because then you would have been in a lot more trouble.
Well, I got it on video.
All right, guys. Did a couple more casts, man. Nothing else today. Gonna head back. Going right now to put the yak back. Yeah, it was a fun time. Good. Fun. Now time to head on home. I was gonna do a catch a cook on the river, but not today. We have plenty of days. We'll do catch a cook on the river, but not today. Let's get back to the bank. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed that. We got on some top water. We threw the jig around, got on some panfish. We lost some, but that's the way it goes, man. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully we're gonna hit some saltwater surf fishing soon, some kayak saltwater fishing. We got a lot of things planned, man. Thank you guys so much for watching. Till the next hook set, guys. Stay safe.